Hello friends, you are watching Haryaali Online. Today in Haryaali Online, I am going to share the very beautiful plant with a very small and attractive leaves. The plant which goes to the very bushy condition and looks so beautiful and fabulous, especially in the hanging baskets. The name which you have already seen on your screen is Sedum Makinoi. Sedum Makinoi plant is also known as a stone crop plant too. Japan, China and South Korea, these all are the native areas for this plant. Basically this plant is counted in the succulent family, so definitely you have to treat this plant like the succulents. Normally we know succulent plants cannot survive in warm weather, but this is the quality of this plant. It remains very happy and healthy in all type of weather. Only you have to protect this from excessive winter moisture. If I talk about the water schedule for this plant, so you have to water in this plant when you see its soil media is totally dry. Second important thing, its placement. Whenever you will place this plant, do remember you have to place this plant where it can get the 2 or 3 hours sunlight, and this place should be very airy. The next important thing is this is not the high filter plant, and remain always very happy with the well drained soil media. This is a perfect plant for your hanging baskets. For propagation purpose, I am taking here some trailing stalks. You can see how much size I am taking out from it. The another benefit of this plant is how much you will cut and prune this plant, that much this plant will be very bushy and healthy. So I have collected here so many its cuttings which are enough to propagate. While propagating you will keep making even so many planters in 15-20 days, because when you cut this plant from any side, then you will see in 4 to 5 days a new growth start from that point. So randomly I am cutting this plant from here to there. Otherwise you can make the perfect square, perfect circle while cutting. Which shape you like you can give here. This is the very normal soil media in which I have taken cocopeat, compost and garden soil, and this is the very perfect media for the propagation of this plant. And before planting these all cuttings into it, I am making this soil media very moist and wet. Before planting all the cuttings into it, you also have to make your soil media very moisture and wet, because if you water after the cuttings, then what will happen, your cutting will have some drops of water, and from that side this plant can be rot. So finally here I have set all the cuttings, and I have maintained some gap in all of them because they will start their growth and they will cover all the basket themselves. And I had some remaining cuttings which I have planted in this small container. I have made this basket to show you its propagation. Otherwise I will take out some more cuttings and I am going to make some more baskets of this plant, because this is the very good plant and I like this one a lot. When they hang in my all the garden, it looks very beautiful and give me so happiness. So dear friend, it was my Sedum Makinoi, and I have shared everything regarding this plant with you, that how can you make this plant at your home happy, healthy, and how can you propagate this plant at your home. So dear friends, thank you very much to be with me. Keep watching my channel and support me. Take the very best care of yourself. Bye bye.